What's going on, guys? Today I'm posting a video. I know I was supposed to post a video on my other 7.3 doing the e-fuel setup, but I have ran into some, you could say, technical difficulties with the trainee. It failed on me within 10 minutes of use after being rebuilt. They had my truck for over 7 days. They can't figure out what's wrong with it. So things aren't going good with the other truck with the trainee issue. So in the meanwhile, I'm going to be messing with this 93.73 that I have. As you can see, it's a total mess. I'm going to be cleaning the engine bay up. Uh, Take a look here. Yeah, there's rat shit everywhere. Every winter when I put this truck up, when I'm not busy doing work, Um, I get rat nests in it, and I have to fight the rats every year. And I have tried everything from mothballs to rat poison. They keep coming back. But anyway, I'm going to be cleaning the engine bay up on this, getting it all scrubbed down, and I'm going to be working on the pump. It's kind of feeling sluggish. I know the injectors are probably way overdue, and also the pump, but I'm going to try to tune it up a little bit, give it a little bit more juice, see if that helps the issue. If not, I will be doing injectors on this. It's very easy to do on these older 7.3s. They're right there. Basically unscrew your hard lines, and they're right there. Pump is right there. Very easy to work on. But I'm going to try to turn up the pump, and I'll make a video on how to turn it up a little bit and give it a little bit more fuel, and I'll see how that performs. But yeah, my next video will be after I get the whole engine bay cleaned and do that mod on this 93.73. Thanks for watching. Any comments, throw them down below, and I'll get right to them.